Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add a background to your videos in CapCut. So as you can see, I have cropped my video out, and you can just click your video and press edit and crop like the parts where you want to add in the background. Or for instance, if your video is a square, you can format it and make it into like a different size. For instance, 16 by 9 maybe. Okay, like 16 by 9 for instance. And then you can go to canvas, background, and here you can select from these backgrounds. Or you can like use your own picture over here. Press the check mark button. You can even add in just a color to your background, like so. Or you can even just press blur and use like the blurred picture of your like video as your background, like the blurred video, I guess, because it follows the video too. But yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!